pen, when fully charged, has continuous use up to 9 hours of power. Then it'll shut itself off for 120 minutes. It is a palm rejection technology, which allows you to rest your hand comfortably on the screen without accidental touch. It also has a precise control and tilt feature, which means there's no need to connect to Bluetooth or download an app. It comes with extra tips and a USB. If you don't know anything, I don't do anything tech without reading the instructions. So we'll be back. Light here. So you just swipe it on the top. There's the 3 lights. Okay. I'll let you know that it's charged. And now I am going to write and draw. And it comes out as a word. And down here, I can go ahead and hit a different mark to make it a marker. To complete a design. And if you notice now, it's down to 2 bars. So it'll be time for me to charge it when it gets down to 1 bar. Now on here, I could also hit the eraser and draw and color with. This takes the place of an Apple pen. I'm using it right now on Note, but you can use it to draw with. What I like about this is that you can lean on a pad and it doesn't affect the writing. And it still will go ahead and do the drawing. You can color things in with it. You can use it to tap. If you want more information about this pen, look in my description below the video. Throw your likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button.